So in this session, let us talk practically how we can write the benchmarking test cases in Golang. So let us create a folder for benchmark, and inside that let me create a benchmark.go is one file. So I will try to create a one function with no, for example, we'll create a Fibonacci series of func calculate Fibonacci. Okay, let's create Fibonacci. Sorry, let us create Fibonacci. It will take the one variable of type integer and it will return integer. It's very simple program. Let us see if n is less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1, just return n, right? Otherwise, what we can do is we can return calculate Fibonacci. Let me copy this function name. Basically, what we will do is n minus 1 plus n minus 2. Okay. So this much simple this is actually, right? Nothing else here. This is the just one method we are trying to do the benchmarking for this. Let me create one more test file for this. Benchmark underscore test dot go. As we discussed earlier, like no test file will be like underscore test. So package benchmark. So basically what I will do is, as we discussed earlier, right? Function name, but the test benchmark function name should be benchmark followed by the function name whatever you are trying to create. Here x-axis is nothing but a calculate bench. This is the method name basically. Okay, test method name. So now what I will do is I will try to do this actually of b dot n times. Okay, we already discussed testing that b for benchmarking, right? So and then what I will try to do is I will try to create. Okay, I will try to calculate the benchmarking for example 10. Okay, so this much simple it is benchmarking. Actually this will try to call the calculate Fibonacci function for the n times here. N is the integer some range value. Okay, so let me run this program for benchmarking Fibonacci series. So this is actually what happened. This is the Windows system AMD64 architecture, and this is the thing actual CPU. Whatever the system information we are doing, this many times actually it is iterated, and this is the time it took. This is about the test running actually. You can do go test also. This also will be executing that all okay. Okay. So this is the benchmarking for the Fibonacci series, whatever. Let me write one more function called func sum. Assume that it will take three values of type integer, and it will return an integer value. Return a plus b plus c. Okay. So for this benchmarking will be as follows: func benchmark sum of. Again here we are trying to testing dot b. Okay, same here also I will try to iterate uh, the loop for no b dot n times. This is actually for no benchmarking purpose. Assume that I will get some result here. Okay, here sum of, assume that 10, 20 and 30. Okay, So I can add the if result is not equal to 60, like the 10 plus 20 plus 30 is 60. If it is not equal to 60, then there is a problem. So what we can do is we can try to uh, address that error actually. The sum of 10, 20, and 30 is not equal to 60. But we received percentage of the result. Okay, this is how we can do that. We can try to do the go test. This will be executing both actually. Okay, suppose if you want to run for the specific thing, yes, we can run that also. Benchmark sum. Yeah, it will execute. If you observe that, this will be running this many times actually. Okay, this is overall about benchmarking in the Golang, the test cases for this.